Imagine a place where Greek beauty, Persian thought, and Indian philosophy met, a civilization glowing with art, ideas, and spiritual surge. This was Gandhara. But what gave Gandhara its soul? The answer lies in the footsteps of Buddha. Buddhism shaped Gandhara's identity. It was here that sacred ideas took form in stunning art. Greek style statues of Buddha with deep Asian meanings carved into stone. Centers of learning like Taxila and Takhtibahi became cradles of philosophy and science. From Gandhara, Buddhism traveled to China, Tibet, and Central Asia, riding the winds of the Silk Road. Without Buddha's teachings, Gandhara might have remained caught between Zoroastrian, Hindu, and Persian influences, never becoming the luminous bridge of civilizations it became. It was the vision of inner peace, compassion, and enlightenment that made Gandhara shine. Today, we honor Gandhara not just for its stones and runes, but for the living spirit it carried, a spirit that still calls out for discovery and renaissance. Thank you.